In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Shipt app. So to use the Shipt app, you first need to head over to your Google Play Store and App Store and proceed to search for Shipt. This is their logo, and in here you can see this. So as you can see on Shipt, you can actually get paid to shop. You can reach your goals, pay off debt, and help your community using this right there. This is actually an app that helps you earn income. You can set your own hours. From in there, you can actually get orders from Target, Walmart, and the likes, and you can shop from them. And then you can deliver the actual items to the customer. With this, you can also get paid weekly and track your performance all together in order to get support with this. You can earn money on your schedule by being a driver with Shipt. So for this case, you can actually get this. You can also go over and shop and scan the Shipt barcode to check out and the cashier bag the item. And then for the prepaid target orders, you can go to customer service or self checkout where an employee will scan the order before you bag the items yourself. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.